Hello friends, in this video let us see how to disable autofocus in Redmi Note 7 Pro. So the problem is whenever we are trying to record a video, generally faculty, whenever they are trying to record their video lectures, they are facing this autofocus problem. Before that, let me give one idea. This idea is for faculty who are trying to teach in online mode. So the idea is, if you want to take online classes or else if you want to record video lectures with the help of mobile phone, we can use this kind of setup. This kind of setup is very easy. Recently I found this particular setup in one of the news app. One madam used this kind of setup. So this glass is nothing but from refrigerator, one of the rack I removed, and I used two pair of boxes. So like this you can use any pair of boxes, okay, for equal height, and you place this particular glass on these two boxes, okay. Then under this you can place your whatever the notebook. Try to use a white paper. This is not pure white. If you are using pure white, it will be good. And right now I have only ballpoint pen. It is okay, but if you have some sketches, use sketches. So this is related to the setup. So now again, before using this particular glass, you please make sure that this glass is very clean, particularly the camera place where the camera is going to be placed. So like, let me show you now. So now let us see the problem. See, now I am placing like this. You need to place so that your white page will be covered. You just move particular page or notebook, okay. So this kind of setup you can use for your online classes. So wherever this camera is placing, so this area you make sure that it should be clean, okay. With the cotton cloth, you try to clean that area, okay. So now the problem is, like, let us see, I want to record a video. So when I click the video, see, now autofocus is enabled. Generally by default this autofocus will be there. See, autofocus. So now it is showing autofocus. So now when I am trying to write something on my paper, whenever I move hand like this, see, now the autofocus effect is disturbing you. Like, see, for example, let us see something I want to write here. The moment when I move my hand over on the paper, then automatically the camera lenses are focusing on my hand. In this scenario, the whatever the text is there, that will be blurred. So this kind of disturbance will be there whenever you are recording your video, because there will be lot of movements. So because of that, because of this autofocus, the student cannot concentrate on this particular text. So that is the major drawback. It is not drawback, of course it is advantage in some cases, and here it is not working. It is not useful to this video lecture recording. For that, simply the solution is, so the moment when I click on screen, generally it will show a white color circle. That is what auto focus. And if you like, you can adjust the contrast, okay, light or dim, okay. So this is for autofocus and manual setting. If you again, if you same procedure, if you click on this circle for long time, that means long press, this autofocus will be locked. See, now autofocus is locked, right? So now you can record your video lecture. See, whenever, now this time whenever I move my hand, working properly, like it is not focusing our object, whatever the object is moving in front of the camera. Now it is not focusing, it is considering everything in normal mode only. So this is the procedure, okay. The same thing, in fact, after doing this kind of setting, you try with Google Meet online class, and let us see if anything problem is there. Please let me know in the comment section.